it going? Yeah, it's going. It's going. It's going. It's going. I'm sure we can do more ridiculous things though. And now there's animals barking at you. Don't do that. It's going. I'm just gonna follow you. Well, kids, this is absolutely normal. Yeah, see, it didn't get caught. It didn't get caught. It didn't get caught. So I guess I was wrong. So where are we going now? Are you just gonna run through are you gonna go through the entire neighborhood like this? Or you're going to your car? And then you get off in a, huh?
This here is my baby.
It's your child. It's your child. Your babby. Oh God, I said a meme. Faggot. You're just on a bike and I'm running behind you with 2 cameras and and I'm bearded and I look like a homeless man with 2 cameras, so.
Oh, you feel fine.
Oh God. This is just great. This is pretty great. Actually, nope, no. Don't run into my car. Don't run into my feet. I'm not wearing shoes. No, how is it? How can you do that? You have like huge ass freaking feet. How does that work? Oh, you're just doing it in the back. I see it. Okay.
It's manageable.
It's manageable. Somewhat. Oh, okay, I will take pictures. I have to put them close. I have to put the cameras closer together because they're apart.
All right, you
apart.
can now.
Oh.